All right, friends, let's keep going. Question 29. Fabia is volunteering at a local animal shelter. One of her tasks is to order food for the cats and the dogs. The monthly budget for cat and dog food is a maximum of $2,000. Okay. Dog food costs $15 a bag. That's going to be probably important. Cat food costs $12 a bag. Dogs eat at least 70 bags a month. Cats eat at least 40 bags a month. Write a system of linear inequalities to determine the number of bags of dog food D and cat food C the shelter needs to purchase every month. So we know D is number of bags of dog food, and C is number of bags of cat food. Okay. Well, what do we know? We know that dogs eat at least 70 bags a month. So if I'm going to take care of my dogs, I have to have at least 70 bags a month. If I have less than 70, this is not going to work. So D has to be at least, so we're going to say D is greater than or equal to 70. Cats eat at least 40 bags a month, so C is greater than or equal to 40. That's two inequalities. That's good, but I think there has to be another one here. And if you look at the question carefully, where that comes in is in this first part where it says the monthly budget for cat and dog food is a maximum of $2,000. Well, how much does it cost for dog food? Every time I buy one bag of dog food, that's $15. So 15D would represent in total how much I spend on dog food. Cat food is $12 a bag. So 12C is how much I spend on cat food. If I add the two of them together, it has to be a maximum of $2,000. So I've got to be less than or equal to $2,000. Those are the three inequalities that you would need to set up. You've got D greater than or equal to 70, C greater than or equal to 40, and then this 15D plus 12C is less than or equal to 2,000 for a grand total of 3 points. That's part A. Okay, let's look at part B. Fabia was considering buying the following number of food bags. Determine whether or not she can based on the given parameters. If she cannot buy the given amount, explain why. Okay, option 1. Here we go. We're looking at option 1 here. Option 1 says that she wants to buy 55 bags of cat food. So C is going to be 55. 73 bags of dog food. D is going to be equal to 73. And I want to know, does that combination work? Meaning, does it satisfy all 1, 2, 3 inequalities? I can see right away that D is greater than or equal to 70. I can see right away that C is greater than or equal to 40. The question, though, is what about this last inequality? If I buy 73 bags of dog food at $15 a bag, and I buy 55 bags of cat food at $12 a bag, is that cost going to be less than or equal to 2,000? So I'm asking 15 times 73 plus, no, I did that wrong. No, I did that right. 15 times 73 plus 12 times 55. Now, this is a calculator active question, so feel free to go on over to your calculator and just pop this in. Okay, we're asking 15 times 73 plus 12 times 55. Well, that is $1,755, which is less than or equal to $2,000. So I would say yes, she can buy this combo. Okay, all that is worth 1 point. Let's do it again for option 2. Option 2 says 62 bags of cat food, so C is 62. We're saying 88 bags of dog food. Well, let's see. C equals 62, that is greater than or equal to 40. D equals 88, that is greater than or equal to 70. Last we have to check is this third inequality. So we're going to do 15 times 88 plus 12 times 62. Going to go over to the calculator again. 15 times 88 plus 12 times 62. That is $2,064, which is greater than 2,000. So our conclusion here should be no, the cost is too great. Okay, that's all we needed to see, that you looked at the cost, it's greater than 2,000. The conclusion is no, I can't do this. All right, option 3, 75 bags of cat food, 68 bags of dog food. So option 3, we said C equals 75, D equals 68. Well, let's see. If C is equal to 75, that is greater than or equal to the 40 bags. But if D is equal to 68, that is not greater than or equal to 70. So I would say no. But the reason here is different because we didn't buy enough dog food. Okay? And so that would get you the third point. So grand total of 3 points here. So that was totally calculator active, and that concludes the calculator active section. I'm going to create a separate video now that will include only calculator inactive questions. Be back in a bit.